My name is Ashutosh Soni. I am from class 11. Firstly, I would like to thank concerned authorities for giving me an opportunity to express my view on the advantage of the social media.
Good afternoon, honorable guests of honor, senior managers, and all my dear friends. I would like to start by introducing myself. I am Aisha Chauhan from Standard 11, major Science English Medium. Firstly, I would like to thank all the facility members for giving me opportunity to express my views on the anti-notions of social media and internet. To begin with, I would like to talk about cybercrime. As you know, the cybercrime is getting popular now. It's making people harmful. It's harmful for us, even though it's mainly targeting the old people and kids. It is like people are giving cybercrime is also very harmful hacking. As you know, the hacking is getting more and more popular nowadays. Hackers are sending links, and which later the phone or the laptop might get hacked, which can mislead our personal information to other people and help us to get our bank details and we will get robbed.
As you have mentioned, the cyberbullying, the government itself has prepared a law for cybercrime, which is called as cybercrime policy. According to this policy, if anyone feels that he was captured or his photos are captured, he could complain to the cybercrime office and he get the result as soon as possible. So government itself has prepared for that.
What if they don't know about the schemes?
If they didn't know about the scheme, firstly they are kids. If they know the process, they can tell to their parents and through their parents they will achieve to that goal.
What about the old people? They are in nursing home. Who can they could communicate with their parents? They don't have parents, and their child might have kept in the nursing home.
Their son, their daughter, anything.
Secondly, I would like to talk about the hot issue of AI, artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is taking over the world. As you know that people are getting blocked by mimicry of the voice is getting happen. Even if you have a child and she or he is going to the school, the parent might get a call that the kids have been kidnapped, and the kids also the voice of the kids has been mimicry, which is used by generated by the AI. The parents might think that the child has been kidnapped, and they might send money or anything they're asking for them. How do you prevent this?
Obviously, there are some disadvantages of AI, but at the same time, it will be an advantage. It will generate your income 5 times more than what you earn without AI.
What if they don't know about this, like LinkedIn yourself?
So, if they didn't know about it, they didn't use the phone. Like they did not have to use the phone if they don't know about the scheme. Every parent has to be know that if their child had given, the parents itself had given that phone to their child, and if he was not comfortable in that, then why did you give it to them?
This isn't about the phone. This is kidnapping habit, and the parents are getting the call that the child has been kidnapped, and it's not even that child that has been kidnapped. It's the mimicry of the voice that is generated by the AI.
Obviously, there is a right notion, but AI itself can do a lot more things.
Such as ChatGPT. ChatGPT is helping students, but it also decreasing their mental ability to perform, to think about it. ChatGPT is helping them to write essays, but it's also decreasing their mental ability to write essays. They don't have, such as future doctors, they are using AI or ChatGPT to make their essays. What knowledge do they have? Do they have any knowledge in their brain?
But what do you want to say about the people who were not able to afford the education? Let's suppose they were living in a town or a village and they want to study for any competitive exams like UPSC, IIT, JEE, NEET, etc. With the help of phone, they can get easily educated with the best faculty in less amount of.
They could get distracted, such as procrastination. They could procrastinate, I'll do it in 5 minutes, I'll do it in 5 minutes, and again and again they're procrastinating decision, and making a decision, I'll do it later, and procrastinate again and again.
But that was that person's mistake, not social media. everything there are the everything there are the two notions. One is pros and cons. It depends on how the people use them. Let's suppose study. Study can be pros and cons itself. Let's suppose a situation. There are two types of scientists. One who regenerate and develop the country, but at the same time there are some scientists or which make the bomb and help the other country to attack on the bomb. So study itself has the pros and cons. Then how can you judge that the social media do not have pros and cons?
Social media distracts the people, just as you have mentioned earlier, that it is also good and bad also. But it is making the people use it more excessively. They are making it addicted to it. They are using the scrolling reels again and again and making the photo memory more less. Do you even remember the last 40 reels or second reel you watched?
Definitely no, but there are some certain apps through which we can prevent ourselves from watching that reel. That is called as the screen setting app, which able you that what the specific amount of time you have told, that specific amount of time you can use it.
What if they delete the app and cancel the setting? They don't want to use. They'll say, I'll do it later.
But that was their mistake. Even though tobacco itself, as I mentioned, if you chew the tobacco, you will cause suffer. Even after that, the people can eat because that was their choice.
Such as alcohol, as you mentioned, tobacco, alcohol is same. It's making people get addicted to it. Social media is making people addicted to it. They're having affection to it. They're having the addiction to it to use it again and again and making the brain having dopamine again and again.
Let's suppose the people are very stressed. If they drink alcohol, the dopamine has been released, which helpful for them to at least tackle that situation. So alcohol itself has both pros and cons.
The dopamine can also be released without the use of social media.
How can it?
By hanging out with your
If
friends.
it's actually not possible, then how can it?
By hanging out with your friends, going and touching grass, having fun, and having picnic, loving yourself.
Every case does not secrete the dopamine. The thing which you genuinely like to do, that enables dopamine to secrete.
But hanging out with your friends secretes
Let's suppose he was hanging out with friends and dopamine has not released.
So, about the health, people are getting their brains are busy. People are getting depressed. They're not loving themselves enough. Apart from the influencers showing off their bodies and gym spots and also making their body to get looking. They're having plastic surgeries by getting influenced to look be more perfect than they were.
As you have mentioned that the people know what they are, so people don't require much knowledge. Like you have mentioned that the people by scrolling out the celebrities' lifestyle, and they were, even though they were motivated because they wanted, I also wanted to that, so they were trying to follow their passion and doing hard work for that to achieving that goal. As you have mentioned, there are a lot of motivational speech which motivate for you to study as well.
So is it not good to love yourself? They are influencing the people to be more like us, such as plastic surgery. They're using needles and surgeries to be more perfect like us, having lip surgeries, having cheek surgeries. They're not loving themselves enough to the internet. Making their self-confidence so low that they are not capable of showing that if they are wearing masks, caps, growing their hair to hide their face.
Now, what you want to say about the extra income? Let's suppose you are a college student. When you are free, you are making video and earn a lot of money through it. So it can't be helpful for.
Not everyone gets a chance to become an influencer. Not that everyone's content is good. It also depends on the presenter.
Yeah, everybody has sort of something different. Everybody has a different thing which they can express through internet, and their hidden talent get exposed.
What if they don't?
So they can don't use.
Not everyone gets a chance to become an influencer. Not everyone's reels get used so many. Even if their hidden talent is so good, they don't get the opportunity to get it. People people make fun of them sometimes. Even if they're showing the kindness, people post videos like showing kindness to help others, and the comment section would be all bullying him like you're just doing it for the views, you're doing it for that, you're doing it for that. It's not gonna help God. You're just doing it for the views.
When someone become going into the field of influencer, their mind was clear that the people are always ready to bully them. So the people who are influencers, they know if the 90% people like them, there is a 10% amount of the people who didn't like them. So yeah.
People are getting trolled through internet. People get so many threats.
As you have mentioned the trolling, there was a special show on the MTV channel which is called as the trolling police. According to that, the troller was contact face to face with the celebrity whom he or she might troll.
They make fake accounts. How could you detect any mess? There are so many in that show. They might be getting one troller. What about 100 of trollers that are getting trolled from?
By seeing that troller, the people are aware that if we are doing trolling, then we are not safe. In whenever the time we are getting.
What if they don't care? They were like, he's got God, I won't get God, I'm so smart, I'm the hacker. And
So when he was there, then ability was exposed.
what about the misspread of information? The misspread of information is so much classified. People get, even when quotes, people get linked, which is also misspread.
But there are official websites where the accounts have been there, so you can check it out their official website. So that you will
people make official fake officials also by buying the blue ticks, such as Twitter and Instagram are now giving blue ticks by buying them.
On the basis of follower, you can able to differentiate which one is fake and which one is real.
You can also buy the followers. You can also buy the followers for the money.
But you can't buy that much which he has an original.